Aloha lovelies, this is Lynn from Blush and Plans, and today I'm doing a memory keeping spread. A little rewind planning using a kit from Sweet Tea Plants. This is called her boho brew. Boho brew? Nah, it's hard to say, but right now I'm doing the full boxes. I'm placing down the dual boxes, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and lay down the rest of the boxes, and I'm doing it from Sunday all the way to Monday, so I'm doing it backwards. But I'm just gonna go ahead and let the music play, and then I'm gonna work on my sidebar. Everything in the sidebar is also from the kit. I'm gonna go ahead and fill that out after I'm done with the spread. These bottom washies are also from the kit. I love them, they're so cute. I love the thicker one on the bottom, I love the design, and I love how this thinner one just coordinates with the bottom one. I got this coffee sticker from a recollection sticker book that you get at Michael's, and it's just gonna mark that I got a Starbucks salted caramel frappuccino and pumpkin bread, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with something else even though I really love this sticker. The reason why I'm replacing the sticker is because it's a latte and not a frappuccino. So I replaced the sticker with a little washi from the kit, and I put that sticker of that dog with the frappuccino from Alayna Makes. For the post office, I used this envelope sticker that I got from the kit, and it's just to mark that I got Happy Mail from the Happy Planner, the Sweet Salt Sticker Co, and Nicole Hutch Designs. These two stickers also from the kit are for our trip to food school. I use another sticker from the kit, and that's just to mark that I did a little filming, and I've been using my stickers from the kit to make my spread a little bit more cohesive. And I filmed last week's Plan With Me and the first part of September's haul. This sticker of a boy and girl raccoon is from Viricute Designs. It's just to mark that I picked up my kids. This laptop computer sticker is from the kit, and it's just to mark that I edited a Plan With Me. I took a half box from the kit and I put this little food sticker here, and that's just to mark that Des made fish sticks and fries. This Sleeping Girl sticker is from Echo Hawaii Craft Co, and it's just to mark that I slept early that night because I was really tired. I took a half box from the kit And that compact sticker is from Love Pipsticks sticker book, and it's just a mark that I got a CoverGirl box from Influencer. It had come in that day. Under that, I put a Lola sticker from Keena Prints, and this is just the mark that I got ready using the box. That meeting sticker is from the Happy Planner Boss Babe sticker book, and it's just a mark that I had a meeting with Nancy. And that chocolate croissant sticker is from the kit, and it's just a mark that I had lunch with my son Mikey, and we had chocolate croissants and a chipotle Caesar salad, and I didn't know how to spell Caesar. On the bottom, I took the strip of washi from the kit, and I just wanted to write down that I posted my plan with me. Here I'm putting down the Hello Weekend sticker, and at first I had no idea where I wanted to put it, so I put it on the bottom to try something new, but I didn't like it there, so I put it on the top where I usually put it. This Instagram sticker is from Viricute Designs. I took this half box from the kit, and I wanted to write down that I edited a summer haul, but I put down a camera, which is not editing, it is filming, so I ended up replacing that camera later with another sticker. This appointment label is from the kit, and I'm just using it to mark Happy Meal. That envelope is from Sweet Salt Sticker Co, and that Happy Meal script is from the kit. The stickers I got during that day was the sticker book from Love Pipsticks, and I also got stickers from Exo Mama Plans, and I also got stickers from Clever Gal Crafts. I wanted to use up more of the boxes that I got, so I took up that envelope sticker and I used a quarter box under it just to layer it a little bit. The camera was cut off at that time, but I got that banner from the kit, and also I put down a sticker from Sweet Salt Sticker Co, and it was just a little lamb with a shopping cart, and that is to mark that I went to Foods Co. And then I got a washi tape that was from the kit, and it's just to mark that I had 1,100 followers. And then on the second part, I put down Aloha Friday under, and I went to 3 different color changes till I finally picked one. And then I went back to the edit summer haul, and I changed that from the camera into the Coffee Monsterz Co editing sticker, and then I took the camera and I replaced it onto the filmed second part of September haul, so it would make more sense. I did again where I cut off the camera, but that wash hair sticker is from Happy Daya, and that laptop sticker is from Sweet Ava's paper, and it's just to mark that I bought stickers. And I bought stickers from Happy Daya and Sweet Tea Plants, and under that I put down another banner sticker, and that is from the kit. I use this Papershire sticker to mark that I planned next week in my Stayology. And on top of this sticker, I layered down a laundry basket and the script laundry day. These are all from the kit. This half box and this YouTube sticker are both from the kit, and it's just to mark that I uploaded my summer haul number 2 video onto YouTube. I put down this football sticker because my husband and I watch football, and I got that sticker from Some Little Things. So I wasn't feeling well that day, so Ray decided to go and get some KFC because he doesn't like cooking when football's on the TV. First thing Sunday morning, I finished up my plan with me for the week, and I used a sticker from the Pipsticks sticker book that I got on Thursday. For the rest of these stickers, I forgot to turn my timer turned off. So that makeup sticker is from Papershire, and it's just the mark that I put on makeup. And that bowling sticker is from Sweet Ava's paper, and we had family time at the bowling alley. That little character with the notebook is the mark that I manual plan, and that sticker is from Create with Pen. And that football player is from Some Little Things, and it's just the mark that I watch Rams game. And then I filled up my sidebar with the menu, and then I filled up my habit trackers, and that's about it. That's it for my plan with me. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you could, please like and subscribe before you leave. Aloha!